Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy to Learn Django tutorials. Today I will show you how to set up application level URL for multiple Django apps instead of managing all URLs in a single urls.py file. This method keeps our project organized and scalable. So if you are excited, make sure like this video and subscribe for more Django tutorials. For what purpose we are using application level URL? Instead of defining all URLs in my project urls.py, we will create a separate urls.py file for each individual app. Each app will manage its own URL so that it is very easier to scale and maintain cleaner project structure. Let's implement it step by step. Create URLs file for each app. So go to inside the my app directory. I'm going to open VS Code. Go to my app. First I'm going to close all the apps and projects. So now here we have two apps. One is blog, other one is my app. The project name is my project. And now go to my app directory. See here there is no urls.py. Now I want to create a new file, the name urls.py, and write the following code. From django.urls import path. Through this path method, we are going to redirect the URLs. We are going to use routing. From myapp.views. So in the myapp, we have a display function. So if I want to use that display function, I need to import the display function. Where this display function is available, it is there in the my app views. We have already seen into this my app. In the views, we have a display function. I'm going to import it. Now I'm going to set the URL pattern. URL patterns equal to, I'm going to set the path of, if you want any URL name, you can specify the URL name. Now I want to specify here empty so that as soon as you open the HTTP 127.0.0.1 with the port, the total URL, by default it should open the default home page. The function will be called, display function will be called. In this display method, I have written the default home page. Now save it. This file will now handle all URLs related to only my app. Similarly, you need to open blog directory and create another file urls.py and write the following code. From django.urls import path from blog.views import. What is the function we have in the blog app? We have blog display. So write the function blog display. And now we'll set the URL pattern. URL patterns. Inside of this URL pattern, I'm going to set the path. So the URL name I want blog / comma. The function name is blog display. So here the homepage for blog app is going to be display. And save it. This file will handle all URLs related to only the blog. Now, what is the next step? We need to link app URLs to the project URL. Now we have both URLs are there in individual app. One is for the blog and another one is at my app. Now what is the next step? We need to link app URLs to the project level URL. Where is the project? In the project level URL, here I need to use include package. That's why I'm going to write include package also. So import is used to link the app URLs. So previously we have written like this. Now I'm going to change this as a path of, so I don't want to specify any URL name here, comma, include. I want to include the first app is my app. So my app dot URLs. And the next one is you need to include path. So I don't want to specify any URL name here, comma, include. I want to include, what is the next app we need to include? That is the blog. So I'm going to write blog.urls, which includes the URLs from the blog app. So here I'm going to write the comment which includes URLs from my app. This statement will include URLs from blog app. Now let's start the Django development server. Save it. And I'm going to open the link. Yeah. Let's see. Now I have opened the browser and we got the default output. It's a my app homepage is displayed by default. And if you want to open the blog homepage, then when I click the blog URL, now it will open the welcome to blog app. Congrats, you have now application level URLs that keep your Django project clean and modular. That's it, folks. We have successfully set up application level URL for your Django apps. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you.